Hi guys, Justin here from Costa Fishing, and today we're going to talk about my top 5 artificial surf fishing baits for the upcoming 2025 season. For 5 on our list, we have Sabiki Rigs. Sabiki Rigs come in a bunch of different sizes. The smaller sizes like number 4 and 6 work very well for catching small bait fish in the surf, whereas the bigger sizes like number 8 and 10 have proven very effective for me for catching a wide variety of species in the 1 to 5 pound range. These baits are very easy to use, and due to their simplicity and effectiveness is why they've reached the number 5 spot on our list. Make sure you check your local fishing regulations to make sure you're legally allowed to use these in your region, and head down to your local tackle store and pick up some Sabiki rigs today. Guys, coming in at number 4, we have spoons. Now there are many different types of spoons on the market, but in my personal opinion, just based on my experience, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies that are mentioned in this video. The ones from the Acme Tackle Company, the Kastmasters, have been the most effective for me. I throw these in 3/4 and 1 ounce size from the beach. They cover a lot of water and they mimic a bait fish really well. They get a lot of aggressive strikes, and I know they will for you as well. They are very simple to use with a simple cast and retrieve method. You can't go wrong fishing spoons. To number 3, guys. Now number 3 is something I recommend everybody has in their tackle box when they get to the beach, and that is some form of topwater bait. These two happen to be my favorites. This one is the Helco Rooster Popper. This makes an incredible splash, and I've got some really aggressive hits on this. And the other one is the Big Eye Mullet from Miralure. It works great in murky water days and has been excellent for me as well. So make sure when you go down to the beach, you have some form of topwater bait in your tackle box. Number 2, definitely one of my personal favorite baits to throw on the beach, and that is the Yo-Zuri 3D Twitch baits. These baits are absolutely excellent for me. They have a big rattle inside, and I fish an aggressive twitch pause method, and they land me a lot of strikes from the surf. These baits come in a variety of different colors, but my 2 personal favorites are the silver and the black and gold. I throw the black and gold when the water's a little murkier, and I throw this on clear days, and both have been excellent baits for me fishing off the beach this year. Guys, we made it to the top of the list. This is my number 1 pick for saltwater surf fishing baits, and that is the soft plastic paddle tail lure. I like to throw these in the 3.5 inch size and 4 inch size. My 3.5 inch pick is the DOA Cal Shad. This catches a lot of fish. It's got a very good action on the tail, and you can get it out there a long ways. But the number 1 that's had the most bites for me this year is the Slam Shady Mulligan. This is made from a company in Florida called Salt Strong, and I think their website is fishstrong.com. You can pick these up there. They are dynamite. Their tail has action like no other bait I've seen on the market, and I can't count how many strikes I've had this year on these baits. This is the black version of that, which is called their Gold Digger. This one is very, very effective in murky water close to the river mouths, and the Slam Shady Mulligan has proven effective for me pretty much all year long. So if you guys are gonna head to the beach this year, pick yourself up some soft plastic paddle tails, and you can't go wrong. Well, that does it, guys. That's my list. This is all just personal opinion on all the baits that have been mentioned in this video. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies or products. It's just my personal experience passing it on to you. And I've had over 200 days beach fishing this year, so this is what I've narrowed it down to my top 5 picks. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll be coming to you soon with more videos on techniques how to use all these products. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.